I like how you drew the eyes.
Mom, stop! Please don't touch it.
Why?
Because if you are going to touch it, you're going to smudge it. Hi friends, good day to all of you. Are you afraid that your works would become messy because you smudge it with your fingers? I experienced making beautiful and interesting artworks. But when my friends started to touch them, they eventually become dull. I am sure that many artists can relate to what I've said. That's why today, I am here to give you some tips on how you're going to preserve your artworks. I will use Google to show some pictures and the definition of the word fixatives so that you will understand better what these things are. In drawing, a fixative is a liquid similar to varnish, which is usually sprayed over a finished piece of artwork, usually a dry media artwork, to better preserve it and prevent smudging. Modern fixatives are usually alcohol-based and hydrocarbon propelled. So, we've got so many fixative sprays that we can use as what you've seen in Google. But, what I'm really using right now is Kilox Fixative. And today, I'm going to show you how to use this thing and how effective this fixative spray is. This is not a paid review. I just want to share this to everyone so that you'll have an idea. So one of the directions written in the can is that we need to shake well before use. Next, we need to spray 20 to 30 centimeters away from the pieces. Overusing this fixative is a bad idea. We need only to put the right amount of fixative to your drawing so that you will attain a good result. Look at how I tilt the can while holding it, and look at how I start spraying from the side, going to the center. After I finish one side, I will rotate the paper and start to the other side. By the way guys, before you start spraying your fixative, you need to find a well ventilated location first. The toxic is possibly carcinogenic and flammable, so I advise that you will use a mask while doing this. It is also important that you will put your drawings in a clean area before you start spraying. It is possible that when you start spraying, some dust particles will go to your drawing. And finally, we are finished spraying. So I think we need to wait for a few minutes. We will wait for the fixative to dry or to completely dry. Then after that, we will check if our work is good enough.
A few moments later.
And now, it's time to evaluate our output. When I touch the first artwork, it is clearly seen that I cannot smudge it using my fingers. Let's try the second one. By the way, I used orange vellum board for drawing number 1 and to this drawing, and it displays a nice result. In this bigger drawing, we are using the Paintbridge illustration board, and still my fingers are still clean after touching the dark parts. This time, let's try smudging the entire drawing. Let's see what will happen. So I'm really impressed because my fingers are still clean. And of course, my drawings are still clean. So in my opinion, this product is really good and it works well with my graphite and charcoal artworks. So what are you waiting for, guys? Buy your own Fixatives now. Protect your artworks. Preserve it. If you think that this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.